Hello, so here's an interesting app which is called Jigsaw Dating. So you can just tap and get it. Um, so then you can just use your Touch ID to install it. Yeah, interesting app. It's grown in charts in social networking. So number, yeah, 156 in social networking charts. Yeah, from the UK to the USA, our members have ripped up their tickets to the beauty pageants. By joining the last shallow app on the App Store, people are sticking 2 middle fingers to skin deep judgment and small talk, and we are only just getting started. It's an unusual concept, but the usual apps only work for like 5% of people. So yeah, there are like so many interesting apps, like dating apps, which trying to find like their own concept, their own niche, because yeah, that's true that a lot of apps actually don't work that well for that many people. Oh wait, oh sorry, I think I was just like using some tool. I'll just stop it so the app downloads quicker, and well, then we can just continue with that. So now it should be downloaded a bit quicker. So here is the app, Jigsaw Early Access. Okay. Get early access date on Jigsaw. And then I can just create my account here like that. So then, yeah, you can just enter age and then, yeah, you can just create an account like that. And then we puzzle faces to give you a better chance of getting to know someone for who they are without the split-second judgment. So then you need to add your photos. So that's one of the, I'm just testing it out, interesting to see. So yeah, here you just need to enter this so here you just can enter that or how much you like. So I don't know, it's just a joke. I'm just showing you like the steps, of course, the super random answers, but just so you have an idea. This is how it looks like, and my qualities. So something like that. And then you can verify your profile, skip and complete sign up. So yeah, then you can just allow location. You can upgrade to VIP. But yeah, unfortunately, this app is not yet out available everywhere. I think it's just in a beta in United States or something. So yeah, it's not yet available everywhere. But yeah. So something like that. And then you can get verified, take the photo, you can send matches, and this is how it works. And then you can see something like that, and then you can see one puzzle revealed. So yeah, something like that. That's the idea of the app. Hope you liked it. It's an interesting concept. And then if you want to upgrade to Jigsaw Plus, infinite admires, daily free supers, unlimited recovers, free tickets for Jigsaw events. So here you can see all of that. Yeah, and it's $24.99 per month or $9.99 per week.